Even though I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein, I am not an Igbo man today.
I was coming to that. What's the meaning of Ediabali?
Ediabali is an animal, but what it literally means, what is contextual meaning of Ediabali is he who kills at night. My great ancestor, Nabobuari Harry Braid, was originally an Igbo man from Obom in Abam. His parents moved to Obosi in present Anambra State, both in present Anambra State. From there, he came to Kalabari. King Amakri acquired him from the Aro people who came with him to Taurus Ramapri, Elem Kalabari, and he became a Kalabari man. He died in the 1820s as the richest and one of the most powerful men of his time.